Hi guys. So I came across this new app MANIA, and this app says you that you will learn Morse code using this app. So that I am gonna check out it. So here I have installed this app and will check one by one. So levels it has 66 levels, and we're gonna try it one by one and how it gonna teach us the Morse code and explore button, so that I think after some practicing we can go to this explore button. So here I want to show you that if we click H, this is the sound of H. Do you get it? So this is the sound of H, and for 5, this is the sound of 5. Okay, do you get it? So with sounds we hear, we're gonna find out the words, and with the words we're gonna find out, or we're gonna frame a sentence so that we can use Morse code for our conversations. So back. So custom, and here it says for membership payments and for customizing the app you need to pay for it. So back. So we'll start from level 1. So level 1, I'm clicking on E. Hear the sound of E. Again, I'm gonna click on E so that you gonna hear the sound of E. So this is the sound of E. Again, E. So for T, do you hear that clearly? For T, this is the sound of T. So that we're gonna start this level, and this app is gonna give us the sounds, and we are gonna find which words that sound belongs to. So start level. T, T, E, E, T, 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 E, E, T, E. So we completed the level 1 and we are entering level 2. So here we have additional words A and N, so that hear the sound of A now. So this is the sound of A. Again, this is the sound of A. This is the sound of A. Remember that. And N. Do you get it? And this is the sound of N. And for E, for T. For T, for E, for A, for N. So start next level. A, E, 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 T, A, E, N, T, E, A, A, T, T, A, A, N, N, E, N, A, E, N. So we have successfully completed the next level. So I think you are getting the sound correctly. So if you want to frame a word 10, we can use the sound for T, E and N. Okay, I'm going to next level, and this is a challenge. So N, N, T, E, A, N, 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 E, 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 T, A, T, A, A, N, A, T, T. So like this we can easily learn the Morse code. So here I am going to do the level 4 for I and M and N. So if you like this, you also check out this new Morse Mania app. And finally I want to say you something, this is not a sponsored video. Thank you for watching.